Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your assets around, like transferring BUSD from Robinhood to Binance. BUSD is a stablecoin that's super handy for trading without the volatility, and with the latest updates in 2025, this process is smoother than ever. Today, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Binance. In 2025, Robinhood has enhanced its crypto withdrawal options, so log in and verify your identity if you haven't already. This is crucial for security reasons. Always double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms to protect your funds. Now, let's get to the transfer. Step 1. Head over to your Robinhood app or website and navigate to your crypto wallet. Find your BUSD balance and select the withdraw option. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be a small network fee, so check that first to avoid surprises. Step 2. Choose the withdrawal network. For BUSD, you'll typically use the BEP20 network since we're sending to Binance, which supports this seamlessly in 2025. Copy your Binance wallet address, go to Binance, log in, and find your BUSD wallet address under the deposit section. Paste that address into Robinhood's withdrawal form, double-check it to prevent any errors, and confirm the transaction. Once you've initiated the transfer, keep an eye on the status. Transactions usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, it should be quicker. Head back to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the BUSD has arrived. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, it could be due to incorrect network selection or insufficient funds for fees. Always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BUSD from Robinhood to Binance in 2025. It's a straightforward process that opens up more trading opportunities. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.